were saying that it is a prerogative of Mr. President. We are very grateful that he even appointed FCT for the first time.
My Nigerian don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to do say it just happened. The former Emir of Kano State, will be Sanusi II, don't meet with the coup leader for inside Niamey to follow and tell Yarn and discuss about the coup wey happen for inside Niger Republic and as they go fit return power to democratic government. 2 people don't poof by as plenty people that don't wunjure after where some cars they go jam their self on top the Eco Bridge to come down for that Alakasu Lagos State yesterday on Wednesday, August 9, 2023. And the motor they will say they jam themselves. Now one big truck where they loaded, one Lexus Jeep, Toyota Camry, Toyota Highlander, and one other car. All of them go jam themselves. The Osun State Governor will be Ademola Adeleke don come dey beg him party members for inside his state wey be People Democratic Party say make they forgive those people that say they work against them during the election and make they join body, make they work together, make they focus on how to deliver good governance for inside the state. And yesterday, August 9, 2023, 9 yarn dey talk. Federal government on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, don come dey beg the members of Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors that will be NAND. They may they stop the nationwide protests and strike wey they do because of the sake of Nigerians them. Say because plenty people there for inside hospital say that they move because no doctor to treat them. The acting governor of Central Bank of Nigeria will be Fola Shoni be don come dey talk say the inflation rate will be the cost of things wey dey happen for inside Nigeria say still dey better pass some African countries them as in yarn dey talk for the 2023 Zenith Bank International Trade Seminar wey they do for inside Lagos State on Tuesday, August 8, 2023. One woman wey her name be Abigail Ogbulabla don come buy 2 of her own children them as she use poison to put for the children them food. After they come eat, now so they come sleep and they don't come wake up again. As she come yarn say she buy them say because her husband not agree they bring feed the money to use to give the children the take shop. World Bank e don come dey provoke come yarn say they don't ban the Uganda country them. Say they no go give them money again. Say because the government they go put anti-homosexual law where the World Bank come out come and say they against their own value. The acting inspector general of Ikoloba Police will be Olukayode Egbotoku don come reappoint the assistant commissioner of police will be ACP Olumiyiwa Adejobi as the Nigerian police talk person. And on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, now he appoint him again for the good work we say he do before. So now he make him appoint him again. One man that go beat his wife take by way and name be Rafiat Okewole, 30 years old. We say 2 of them don't marry, but they live for different house because of the gbege way they get it. And this gbege happen after we Mrs. Rafiat Okewole go visit her husband for the husband house where they for gas line area inside Ichoko on Sunday to collect money. We say she go use to feed her children. And so they can't get Ogbonge fight. We make the man take beat her, take fire. Ogbonge fire don happen for inside one way house wey dey for 3-story building for number 64 Ven Road inside Onitsha, Anambra State, and the fire start around 9:30 p.m. on Tuesday, August 8, 2023. But later the fire service dem come rush come to help to quench the fire. Senator Tony Nwokoye wey dey represent the Anambra State under Labour Party, he don come dey complain. He say the South is saying no well as say they vote for Peter Obi and they no regret about that one. Say but the way say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu take share the ministers them. Say the South is saying that they collect the smallest among all the other geopolitical zones. I think on the yarn, say because it not balance well at all.
I was APC, you know very well. I work very close to him. Very compassionate man, very hardworking man. But the issue is that Northwest has extra 3 ministers, making it 10. They have 7 states, making it 10. Northeast has extra 2 ministers, making it 8 now because they have 6 states. North Central has extra 2 ministers representing the zone, additional 2, making it 8. They have 6 states. Southwest has extra 3 ministers, making 9. Southwest has extra 2, making it 8. Southeast has extra 0, only 5 states.
37 years old Nigerian man wey name be Nweke Chukwuma wey dey homeless for inside Italy. Italian Ikoloba police officers don arrest him because he go beat 61 years old Italian woman wey her name be Iris Setti take fire. And on Saturday evening, August 5, 2023, around that kind 10:30 p.m., now this gbege happen for Revoto inside Trento. Now the gbege happen. One fisherman don go catch one sea turtle for inside Oyorokoto community for Adoni local government area of Rivers State. As plenty Nigerians dey come dey laugh dey yarn say this sea turtle don go enter wrong hand, say because na belle im go and last. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.